got something to let you know on too. I'm actually going to be building a YouTube channel for my business.
Yeah, right.
Now, I need your proof. I need your. You need your permission. The videos I take today in the truck that's facing this way, I won't have you in it. Will that be okay if I can upload them to YouTube?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
All good.
Thanks, mate. Because it promotes you and it promotes me as well, so that's all right.
That's all right.
You're on this side, mate? Yep. That's all right. not saying anything. I'm saying nothing.
You can say anything you want when as soon as I'm finished.
Well, when I hear when I
Otherwise, well, like last time, then I can't use it because you're talking.
yeah, well when he says Jake Race, I'm like I'm shutting up now.
It'll put it warm.
That's all
Oh,
right.
well, okay, good. Yeah, then can I go back to sleep?
Yeah.
You're a good song. You're a good song.
Yeah.
Can't run up Alan Jackson.
Who was it?
Alan Jackson.
Yeah. I've heard it. Haven't heard that one.
It's a freaking banger. You should get it. Put it on your playlist. Are you on Spotify? No.
I'm on nothing.
That's not. Next time I come, I'm bringing my boombox.
Yeah.
Go back to sleep. Need it again.
Yeah, okay. Absolutely.
How you going over there, Nathan?
I'm going good. Don't you panic about me. Huh?
Happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm in a truck.